Hello, you guys. I hope you're doing right. Quick update to the BTC. Well, we start with the live price 27,625. So this is what I spoke about yesterday. There was a technical consolidation to the upside on the horizon. We were totally oversold in the region of 30% and under 30%. So technical reaction had to come, and we saw it. It will be interesting to see if this carries on. Anyway, when you look at the MACD, we had this bullish crossover, but this is on 1 hourly base. Well, let's quickly check the overall future. And this has not changed that much. This picture is RSI still in the 50% region, very healthy. We had for 3 months green candles in the closing. Now one is red, but the overall trend from the MACD to cross from the downside, which would be a bullish crossover, the blue line, this is still in power. That's a good thing. Okay, let's quickly check the market capitalization. We're still on 11, gold on 1, silver on 5, Bitcoin $535 billion. Quite strong. That much has not changed. Okay, I said it yesterday, and nothing has changed. The market still is absolutely short. We will look into the liquidations, which is a strong indicator. And the thing is, most of the market participants are now short. And if there comes an upturn in the price, we could see quite a strong short squeeze. Maybe a little bit too early for it, but at least we stabilized on this level of, let's say, 27,500 or something. Let's check the technical trend analysis. And here we start, first of all, with the fear and greed. Yesterday we were on 50%. We quickly check now. Well, it's a bit better, 56%. This always has to do with the price. As price goes up, sentiment immediately also gets better. We quickly check the heat map. We do this live. And this is all green today, huh? Yesterday everything was red. Today is all green. And well, the whole market is following BTC. This is usually what takes place. So that's quite good. Okay, next thing is market dominance has not changed, 47%. And here we come to the liquidations. 5 days in a row, we saw long squeezes. And this will be very interesting to see now, starting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what's going to happen to the long positions who are still in the market, because as I just said, everybody is short. Maybe there's a trend change, and when we see maybe short squeezes, we have to wait. But market is not driven by spot. Market is driven by future. This is very much definite. Google trend, not much change, not much interest, and in the countries there's also not a big change. Okay, volume. That's a good thing. You know, we had this problem increasing price by decreasing volume. That's not healthy. But now what we see, this is on 30-day base, that we saw the bottom in volume. So we see an increase in volume and at the same time a decrease in price. This is better than the opposite. So that gives me quite a good feeling. Okie doke. So let's check the trend following indicators. Bollinger Bands, first of all. Like predicted, we saw the downside cross to the blue line. We are now on the lower end of a Bollinger Band, which is usually an indicator that a trend change will come. We see it on the MACD, the red bars. Well, we had this bearish crossover. The red bars maybe are not getting bigger, because when you look in history here, the whole market goes in waves and ups and downs. And it's good possible that they reached for now the consolidation deepest point. Definitely on the RSI, we are on 44%. So a very interesting time. I said it yesterday, really a very interesting time to look into Bitcoin if you're interested to do some investments. So short-term indicator changed to green. Momentum says $29,000 is possible. So last night we saw this trend change. This is why I say maybe we saw the bottom of consolidation. This cycle model we have here says the same thing. Yesterday we were, I think, with $800 underrated, now $400 overrated. So we are very much in line with the model. And well, this model ends in April 24. You can go on this website, play by yourself with it. Model says it could be something like $41,000, $42,000. The second model changed a little bit. We have two base cases here, according to this mathematical thing, and it looks like that we move more to the downside base case. In the end, it will turn out also with like 43, 44,000 something. Okay, let's check Bitcoin Fibonacci retracements, and here we see that we are in the 50% zone. We left the golden pocket here, so we are now in this green zone. It's a nowhere zone, huh? Everything can happen, and it's good possible that we reached this consolidation, and then we could see an upturn back to the golden box. This is something we have to watch on a daily basis. Okie doke. The last thing is our logarithm regression model. Here you can play around by yourselves. You see in history of Bitcoin the tops and the downs according to these 4 years cycles. And finally, we check the new miner index. Not much has changed since yesterday. Just again, the red line is the index performance from the miners, and the blue one is the Bitcoin itself, and you see that the miners performed by 20% better than the Bitcoin since the lowest point. All right, you guys, I hope that was short and valuable information for you. I wish you a great Sunday. Would be great to see you tomorrow. Thanks, and bye-bye.